Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter high protein. We'll explore simple methods to transform your everyday spread into a powerful protein source. This isn't just about adding more protein. It's about maximizing the nutritional benefits of a beloved food. Get ready to learn some easy tricks that will elevate your snack game and support your fitness goals effectively. There are several effective ways to increase the protein in your peanut butter. The most common method involves blending in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. For a less noticeable change in flavor, consider using unflavored or vanilla protein powder. You can also experiment with other additions like powdered milk or collagen peptides, which offer a protein boost without altering the taste too much.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Let's walk through the mixing process. Begin with about 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 scoop of your chosen protein powder. Combine these in a food processor for the smoothest result, or mix vigorously by hand. If the mixture becomes too thick or dry, add a very small amount of liquid, such as milk or water, until you achieve your desired consistency. This ensures a creamy, spreadable product. For the best high-protein peanut butter, start with a good base. Natural peanut butter, free from excessive added sugars or oils, works best. Feel free to adjust the amount of protein powder to match your personal taste preferences and daily protein requirements. Once prepared, store your enhanced peanut butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain freshness and prevent separation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.